Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a student email account. First, you will need to visit your school's official website. Look for a section dedicated to current students or IT support. This area usually contains all the necessary information and links to activate your new student email. It's the initial step to connecting with your academic community. Once you've found the activation page, you'll typically be asked for some key information. This often includes your student ID number, which is usually a 7 or 8-digit code, and perhaps your date of birth. These details help verify your identity and ensure only authorized students create accounts. Carefully follow each prompt to proceed smoothly. The verse section of these dreams follows a common 4-chord progression: G, C, D, and E minor. Play each chord for 2 beats with our simple strumming pattern. When you transition to the chorus, the progression shifts slightly to C, G, D, and E minor. Practice these sections individually until they feel comfortable, then try connecting them. This approach helps you internalize the song's structure effectively. Congratulations! You can now log into your student email account. Use the full email address provided and the password you just created. Take a moment to explore the interface. You will find many useful features. This email will be your primary channel for official communications, so check it frequently for important updates, announcements, and course information.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.